Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert sunburst chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert this chart. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab. So just click on it. Now this chart option, click on it. Now in this list you find this sunburst. So click on it. You see here this preview. Click on it and press OK. You see here very easily you can insert this chart and this Excel file will be open. You can customize it using this file. You see here this. So this way you can very easily insert sunburst chart in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video.